Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a photo using Google Photos app permanently. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Photos app on your phone. Here I'm going to search it and opening it, and you will see an interface like this. And now I want to delete a photo. For example, this one. So normally you have to long press on it and it will be selected, and after then you have to choose this bin option. Just choose it, click on this allow button, and it is going to move on the bin folder. That means it is not going to be deleted permanently. We have to delete it again, and to do that normally click on this collections option, and here you will get the option bin. Choose it. And now normally you have to select that photo. You can select all of the photos also by clicking on this 3-dot bar and choosing this empty bin, but you can specifically choose this option by clicking and holding this photo again and choosing delete option. That means it is going to be deleted permanently. So we have successfully deleted a photo using the Google Photos app permanently. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.